Down to detox your skin, boost your health, and enjoy something sweet? I got just the thing for you. Hey mama, Jennifer with the Mama Go. Let's make a chocolate detox smoothie. So let's get into these ingredients. We have cacao powder. Cacao is high in flavonoids, which are great for reducing the chances of blood pressure. It's also great in repairing the skin and protecting from premature aging. We have super beet powder, and super beets are great for detoxifying the skin. We can always use that, right? We have banana. Banana is moisturizing. It's high in potassium. It's also a really great ingredient to have if you're making a DIY face mask. We have oat milk because oat milk is really, really yummy, but it's also really, really good for just repairing everyday wear and tear on the skin. And then we have some good old lettuce, because why not add something green, something high in fiber, something super nutrient rich into our smoothie. So let's get to mixing. Okay, we're gonna use about a half a scoop of the beet powder. We're gonna drop that in. Look at how beautiful and rich that color is. We're gonna use about a full scoop of the cacao powder. Add that in. I have about a half a banana. And chop that up, get that in there. We're gonna add our lettuce. We'll pour our milk. I like the extra creamy oat milk. And then we are going to blend this thing up. And that is the smoothie. Look at how beautiful that color is. We don't have any chunks. It's just nice and rich and yummy. Here's to good health. Very good. I honestly like to drink these at least once a week. It's really great for my skin. It's actually really great for my body. And it's just yummy and it's a treat. I hope you make it. I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time.